Need to calculate discounts, taxes, tips, or percentage increases? Windows Calculator makes percentage calculations fast and simple with its built-in percentage function. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to calculate percentages in Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. The standard mode is perfect for most everyday percentage calculations. The percentage button helps calculate percentages without needing to enter complicated formulas. It works with common operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To find a percentage of a number, enter the original value, choose the operation, enter the percentage, and then press the % button followed by equals. Yeah, Windows Calculator automatically performs the calculation for you. You can also calculate sale discounts or add sales tax. I mean, simply enter the original price, then subtract or add the percentage to instantly see the final amount. Percentage calculations are useful for shopping, budgeting, restaurant tips, exam scores, financial planning, commissions, and many other daily situations. The built-in percentage function helps you avoid manual calculations. Open the History panel to review your previous calculations and compare multiple percentage results. This is especially helpful when you're calculating several discounts or expenses in one session, and that's how to calculate percentages in Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're working out discounts, taxes, tips, or everyday math problems, Windows Calculator makes percentage calculations quick, simple, and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.